Report generation in Solido Design Environment allows for custom reports to be created using simulation results. To create a report, press the plus icon under Reports or right-click on a simulation run in the Results tab. Rename the report using the right-click menu. Use underscores to separate words. These will appear as spaces in the report title. Opening up the report brings up the report view. At the top, you'll see the toolbar with the options Generate Report, View Report, open the last generated report, Report Path, check or change the report path, Rerun Inputs, rerun all simulations used in the report, Checkpoint, save the report state, Report Format, choose the output format. HTML and PDF support plots, images, and links. Text shows tables as CSVs and images as file paths. On the left, the block tree shows available report blocks. The block types available varies depending on the selected tool, e.g. Monte Carlo or Sweep. Use Test and Config to select a tool to report. Add a table block from the block tree to add a table to the report. Click Customize to select columns. Sort columns or filter specific results directly in the table. Add a graph block. Any scatter plot is available for Sweep tools. Click Customize and assign the x-axis and y-axis. Click Preview to view the plot. Add a waveform block. Click Open from Viewer to launch the waveform analyzer. Zoom in using cursors. Set one at the start point and another at the end, then use zoom between cursors for a focused view. Click Capture Custom Layout to save the waveform view. Press OK to add it to the report. To add text to the report, insert a text block. Use a reStructuredText format for structured content. Add a heading by underlining the title with special characters. Use field lists by surrounding the field with colons, and bold formatting by surrounding the text with 2 asterisks. Insert variables by using the $, curly brace, variable name, curly brace syntax. Example variables include designs and sessioninfo.date. reStructuredText supports inline images and links. Add an image using image : path to image. Attach a link to block text by using an underscore. Group related blocks. Select multiple blocks using Shift plus click, then right-click to create group. Drag the group into a section block for better organization. Save the group as a template. Open the customization menu, then click Export. Set the name and the save path. Add a new section and import the saved template. Change the tool used by using the Edit Block Properties icon. Each section in the report now represents a different simulation run. To add blocks from another tool, e.g. Monte Carlo, switch the tool type. Use Quick Add to insert a predefined template, e.g. AFS Monte Carlo. Click Generate Report. The report opens with an auto-generated table of contents, numbered sections, and waveform captures. Use the report feature to quickly build structured, presentable reports. Drag and drop blocks, customize layouts, and reuse templates for efficient documentation.